we learnt part 1, part 2, part 3 in mensuration. Now we are learning part 4 in mensuration. Let us come to mensuration part 4. The sum is fifth sum. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with hemisphere struck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meter and its length be 8 meter, find the cost of the painting it on the outside at a rate of 20 per meter scale. This is the tank. The tank consisted of two hemispheres. One of the end hemisphere, the other of the end another hemisphere. That is the full tank. So we will find total surface area of the tank. The tank three parts. One is hemisphere, the second is cylinder, the third is hemisphere. We will find lateral surface area of the hemisphere part 1, the lateral surface area of the cylinder part 2, the lateral surface area of the hemisphere part 3. So diameter of the tank 1.4 meter, D 1.4, R is equal to D by 2, 1.4 by 2, 0.7. We made 7 by 10. Length of the cylinder 8 meters. Length of the cylinder 8 meters. So solution, diameter of the tank D is equal to 1.4 meter. Radius D by 2, 1.4 by 2, 0.7 meter. So we made 7 by 10. Total surface area of the tank. Total surface area of the tank, lateral surface area of hemisphere plus lateral surface area of the hemisphere part 1, lateral surface area of cylinder plus part 3, lateral surface area of hemisphere. So lateral surface area of the hemisphere part 1, 2 pi r square plus lateral surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h, lateral surface area of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r. In 3 items 2 pi r is common. Here is r, here is h, here is r. So 2 pi r, r plus r, 2r plus h, 2 pi r, r, 2r plus h. So 2 pi means 22 by 7, r means here 7 by 10. 2r, 2 into 7 by 10 plus h. H means length of the tank. Length of the tank 8 meters. Length of the tank h is equal to 8 meters. So 8 meters. 7 cancel. 44 by 10 into 14 by 10 plus 8. 44 by 10 into 10 8 is 18 plus 14. 94 by 10. So 94 into 44. 4 4 the 16 1. 4 9 the 36 37. As well as 6 7 3 6 13 11 41 3 6 by 10 into 10 100. So by 100 dividing after 2 digits point decimal 2 after 2 digits 41.36 meter square. 41.36 meter square. So 1 meter square the rate of painting is 20 rupees. The rate of painting is per meter square 20 rupees. The rate of painting is for 41.36 meter square. So 41.36 into 20. 0 2 6 12 1 2 3 6 7 2 1 2 2 4 8. Point after 2 digits decimal. So the rate is 827.20 20 buys 827.20 rupees. Sixth sum, a hemisphere is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter of hemisphere is equal to the length of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. This is the cube. So he remain the some hemisphere out of the cube. Some hemisphere out of the cube. Hemisphere out of the cube. This is the same hemisphere out of the cube. Hemisphere is cut out from the face of the cube. One face, some hemisphere. He cut the same hemisphere. So we want to total surface area of the cube. Solution: let the side of cube is equal to A. Radius is equal to side A. Radius is equal to A by 2. Radius is equal to A by 2. So total surface area, we want total surface area. First, total surface area of the cube. Next, subtract area of the circle. Next, to add lateral surface area of the hemisphere. So total surface area of remain solid is equal to total surface area of cube minus circle area, some circle area, plus hemisphere area, lateral surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of the cube total surface area 6a square. Circle area pi r square. Plus lateral surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. So 6a square minus pi r square 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square. 2x minus x. 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So 1 pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square 1 pi r square. But r means a by 2. 6a square plus 5. R means a by 2 whole square. So 6a square plus 5 into a square by 2 square. 6a square plus 5a square by 4. So a square common. 6 plus 5 by 4. 6 plus 5 by 4 square units. 6 plus 5 by 4 square units. 7th sum. A wooden article was made by scooping out of a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base radius of 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the article. First, this is a cylinder. He remove the one hemisphere of the one of the end and other hemisphere of the one of the end. He removed hemisphere రూపంలో సిలిండర్ లో పైని కిందని తొలగించారు. So this is the figure. The height of the cylinder 10. Radius of the cylinder or hemisphere is equal to 3.5. 3.5. You may write 7 by 2. So height of the cylinder is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius r is equal to 3.5. 3.5 we may write 7 by 2. 7 by 2 above the 7 3.5 centimeter. First we will find surface area of the cylinder. Next surface area of the two hemisphere. So we will find out the total surface area of the article. First surface area of the cylinder. 2 pi r(h). Surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r(h). 22 by 7, r 7 by 2, h 10. 2 1 7 7. 22 into 10, 220 centimeters. Okay. Next we will find out lateral surface area of the hemisphere. lateral surface area of the hemisphere. The lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi means 22 by 7. R means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 2, 2. 7 on the 7, 7. So 22, 2 on the 2 11. 11 7 the 77 centimeters. One surface area of the hemisphere 77. There are two surface area of the hemisphere. So two hemispheres. So 2 into 77. 2 7 the 14 1. 2 7 the 14 plus 1 15 centimeters. So total surface area of given the article so lateral surface area of the cylinder plus 2 hemisphere lateral surface area. Cylinder lateral surface area 220 plus 154. 4 5 2 7 374 centimeters square. 374 centimeters square. Take some a sphere, a cylinder, and a cone have same radius and height. Find the ratios of their curved surface areas. Sphere, cylinder, cone, same radius, same height. Radius r. So diameter is r plus r to r. Height. So radius r. Height. Same height to r. Radius r. Height to r. So lateral surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. R means r. Lateral surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h means height 2r. 2r. 2 pi 2 into 2 4. R into 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Same as it. Cylinder 4 pi r square. Cone lateral surface area of cone pi rl. Lateral surface area of the cone is pi rl. So L means L is equal to root h square plus r square. Root h means 2r. 2r square plus r square. 2r square 4r square plus r square. So root 4r square r square 5r square. So root 5r. Root 5r. 5r into root 5r. L is equal to root 5r. So root 5 into pi into r into r, pi r square. So ratio sphere is to cylinder is to cone. Sphere 4 pi r square. Cylinder 4 pi r square. Cone root 5 pi r square. So pi r square, pi r square, pi r square common. 4 is to root 5.